Wait,
She goes,
I'm sorry, I didn't tell you guys, but like I'm bald.
What?
Okay.
No, what?
So, is it recording? It's recording. All right. Hi
All
there,
right.
everyone. We
And
are
welcome back
going.
to our channel.
Welcome back. Yeah, we are doing.
We're back.
Alright,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's get set up.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay,
And wait,
let me bring you.
and break.
Break.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Emmy and I'm here with Dylan and Adrian and I'm gonna let them do my makeup. Yeah, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Adrian.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, I have makeup on right now, but I'm going to take my last makeup wipe and take it off. And they're gonna start from scratch. Okay, whatever you guys want to do, but let me just take it off.
What the heck?
It's an eyelash. It's stuck.
Thank you.
I don't know. Look at this. I can't know.
There's so many, there's so many in one. I don't have that many, do I?
Those are double stacked lashes.
Oh, okay.
Like I double stacked.
I don't have double, I just have double.
Oh, I double stacked my lashes.
Okay.
Are you okay, Dylan?
You're gonna get some goofy looking eyebrows.
I'm scared.
Wait,
You're
eyebrows?
letting them do your eyebrows?
Yeah, I know. How scary.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
I'm scared. Okay, wait.
You
let
look
my
beautiful
face-
either way, okay? You fucked up or not fucked up.
Yeah. We have to put primer on?
I mean,
Yeah, we need
it's
primer.
really convenient.
Duh.
How would you need what?
It's really convenient.
I don't know.
It's convenient to have primer because I have oil on my face right now. I put.
Okay, so
Honestly, if you wanna do.
Okay, here we go. We're doing eyes first. You get hit, bro.
Here, we're gonna use this.
That is highlighter.
This is dry.
Dylan wants to use this as a primer. It's Becca Champagne Pop Liquid Highlighter.
You know, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let you do you.
I don't know if this is
You don't
dry.
have to read.
I also prime for eyebrows too, just for some tips. So I prime my eyebrows
Okay.
would be.
Dylan has no idea.
I'm trying. I'm so confused about all these things. You got way too much stuff over here.
Bro, this looks like no.
You have a brother and a mom that doesn't wear makeup. Adrian has like a lot of women in his household.
That is very true.
What am I supposed to use? I'm just trying to. I don't know what any of this stuff is.
Dylan, I think you
Excuse
just
me.
need to start your side.
Alright.
No, I'm gonna help you out. Okay, use that.
Use this? What is it? What is this?
It's look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. It's to, I don't know, maybe soften the skin. I don't know.
I'm scared.
Soften the skin.
That's
That's exactly what it does, Adrian. Good job.
You're supposed to put it on.
my eye.
I don't really. Okay, wait. Do you put eyeliner on first or
Eyeshadow.
eyeshadow first?
Trying to add
The
Do wait,
naked.
be a beauty goober, so like
Okay.
show it. We're using the Naked Heat palette.
I thought this was just gonna be like us painting on it or something like that. Funniest.
If you want to use paints, you can. I have
No,
paints.
don't tell me. Use en fuego.
Oh, great.
Fuego.
That would be the fire.
I always put it like this.
Fuego. Fuego means fire.
Adrian, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Dylan, you're slacking a little bit.
I know. I'm going.
Blend it out with the beauty blender.
What's a beauty blender?
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
This
You're
right
gonna
here.
have to be like
Use
this one.
English.
Use this one. Use this one.
It looks like a little sponge.
It's
Alright.
damp, so it's like wet. So it like helps it blend out more.
Look at this. Dylan's being so gentle.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm trying to do that, you know, the cut
You want me
crease.
to play like
Oh.
every video at the same time?
Yeah, play one of my tutorials so they know what they're doing.
Oh, we should do that.
Yeah. Why are we doing
No.
this?
I think that's cheating.
Okay, no, we're cheating.
Alright. No, dude.
No.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Mm.
Do you want me to close my eyes or?
Yeah, close your eyes.
Adrian, do you not want to put your
I don't know. I just don't know like where to go. Like, sorry, what to start on. I don't know what side to start on.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're just gonna blend that all in, you know what I'm saying? That's not bad, bro. Here you go.
Wait, hold on. Let me grab my phone really quick. Oh! Oh, great!
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, it's gorgeous.
I'm gonna say this brush. What color do you like?
You're using that brush for contour?
I don't know.
Honestly, you do you.
Wait, is it
You
this
can't
brush?
react like that. You just gotta let him
Wait,
do
do you
it.
want this brush for contour?
Should I just like let you do it?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, cool. We don't use it.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's what this is. Wait, this is for a cut crease for your nose, right? Yeah, that's what we do.
Is that a thing?
I don't know. I saw it on some video. This is what my sister says.
Nope.
Wait, no, that's highlight. That's not this. That's highlight. No, where's the highlight?
How do you?
This is stressing me out, man. I don't know what to use. What is this?
That's another contour palette.
This contour? Wait, oh.
Yeah, I use that one a lot, so it's kind of empty.
If you use this a lot, that's a good sign. That means I can use it.
Where do you put your eyebrows?
Dylan, you're gonna have to
Look,
dot
I'm gonna help
yourself.
you. See the eyebrow bone? You gotta like, chill.
Okay.
But you gotta, don't forget, you gotta put a little line in it because she likes the lines.
She likes the line. She likes the lines.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, this is
Eyebrows.
very difficult. It looks like you have chopsticks.
Oh!
Wait, oh, that's nice. That's nice. Add some more glitter. You'll be able to see glitter.
Always. Always. Oh, we're gonna glitter down there. Oh. Oh no.
You want glitter here too?
Oh yeah. Collarbone glitter.
Oh, what is this?
We're going light. What is that? I'm assuming.
It's
It's like a,
Wait, use this brush.
Wait, what is this?
It's like pressed pigment. Like it's like a purple pigment. Like it's an eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow, okay.
Wait,
Okay,
okay, now.
It's a pigment eyeshadow though. So
I don't know what to use for your
it's like-
eyebrows.
It's like colored, like
Straight
straight
doesn't know
up.
what pigment means.
I don't know what eyebrows you use. Do you like?
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Trying to help you out, Del.
Wait,
That's a pressed pigment.
We're not using that. We're not using that.
wait. What do you use to draw on your eyebrows?
Watercolors.
Powder. Watercolors.
Oh crap. Wait, is that Vaseline?
Oh, I use this. No.
That's Vaseline.
Lip stuff. No.
That's not Vaseline. Never mind.
Vaseline.
It's not. It's for your lips.
You
Put
would
it on your
use-
lips. It's good. It's good stuff. Look.
I would it on my lips, but
Look.
I'm waiting.
Just go like this. Do it to yours.
Okay.
Del, it actually
It's really
like,
nice.
It's not like girly. You're good.
No, it's just like
It's
lip
a little
balm.
girly, but it'll make your lips so nice.
Put some on. It's really nice.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's like I don't know. Yeah, it tastes like a little like lemon tart.
Bro, that's like zesty. Wait, did you lick it? Oh, that's like edible.
It's not edible.
Well, I mean,
I mean, I can eat it. It's not bad. Okay, so we're gonna do. Wait, I think.
You guys know where they're doing.
I have no idea. What is that?
Did you just
Okay.
use the highlight with an angle brush?
Dylan's doing great, okay?
Where'd you do it? Give her some freckles. Give her like a you know like a lip freckle.
A lip freckle.
Or like you know a
With
cheek
the-
like, you know like Nanny McPhee. You know how they have like the really big.
Yeah. What is that called?
Nanny
Oh, a mole.
Mole.
It's
That's
a mole.
Did it just turn into
There
a
we go.
Halloween look? No, you're making me pretty.
That's hot.
Why?
That's so hot.
Why? Dylan, you didn't even contour my face.
Why'd you give her a mole?
That was my idea.
Because moles.
Because it's a Nanny McPhee look.
Wisconsin.
Wait, where was the highlight thing you used? The the little press. Are you blocking the view? Oh my god, this is so sour. Hold on. I need to shake too.
You know when girls have like their cheekbones just like sharp as hell?
Dylan,
Yeah.
take the brown stuff, go on her
See
cheek.
how I did a little bit of darker?
Brown stuff.
Take,
And follow
take.
my model. See how that's darker?
Oh.
I know.
Look, my cheekbone is just like right on. Oh, it's because I'm not.
Oh, here. Dylan, take
Wait, that's what that is? Wait, I was using the wrong brush the whole time?
Now you take it and go.
Okay, yeah.
It's the aspirin! It's the aspirin! So we're using aspirin by original formula.
We're using Airspun, Cody Airspun.
Wait, do you have...
Did you just expose yourself?
Wait,
She goes, it doesn't
I'm
have-
sorry, I didn't tell you guys, but like I'm bald.
What?
Okay, keep
No, what? Pat, don't, it's not paint, you gotta like dab.
No.
Yeah, like, but like dab and rub. You know what I'm saying? Like a rub dab.
Rub
Like
dab.
a rub dab.
Right.
Oh, it's fine, whatever. We're gonna do lashes. Where's the glue?
Oh gosh. Okay.
Oh, just tomorrow I have to get through. What's happening Sunday? I never can have work. Wow, Dylan, that looks good.
Not doing anything.
You can use.
Oh my god, I did it!
You put that on there? It
Yeah.
looks good from my angle.
Why, thank you!
The eyebrow is scary, but
Okay, we're not gonna talk about the eyebrow.
I think I
Oh, we don't want- No, but why? Hey, you can't be helping, excuse me.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
yeah, it's just I don't know. That's my makeup routine. That's Bob Duncan.
Yeah, stay on your side.
Bob Duncan. No, you mean it's the Duncan family.
I knew.
Teddy
Bob.
Duncan, Charlie Duncan, and PJ.
How do you remember that?
Yeah,
Bro,
I can't
that
believe
show
you
was
just
mine.
named all of those. Try me.
Does it taste good?
Wait, you do that this time. My side looks kind of good.
Intense. Let me use this. It looks colorful. No, that's right.
Okay, wait, Dylan, do you think we're done?
Singing in your car.
Do you think we're done?
I'm done, yeah.
Oh wait, that's what this is for?
At a distance.
Oh my god, what?
I think it was like when you were drawing your.
You want some too?
Yeah, use that shit as sun spray.
No. I mean,
we're
do your
not done?
poses.
Oh.
Okay. Wait, it's blurry. Oh, there you go. No, go ahead.
I thought I did.
Amazing. We're gonna go with these.
Okay, so this is the finished look. How do we feel? How do we feel on the side?
I think I did a pretty good job, that's all I gotta say.
How do you feel on the side?
I can be a professional makeup artist.
Oh, thank God. Okay, thank you for coming and doing my makeup.
Anytime.
Let me look at it, wait. Oh, thanks, Dylan. That's one lip there.
I am so proud right now.
Oh, the lashes are on there though. I'm really proud of your lashes.
Thank you. Okay, I know I messed up with the eyebrow.
That's okay.
The shadow, I think, is not bad.
No, yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. Dylan, contour. It's
Beautiful.
contour.
Alright.
Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. I will link their social medias down below in the description so you guys can follow them. And yeah, I'll have any updates below. And thanks for watching my YouTube channel.
Bye.
Bye.